Hi guys, today I am going to be showing you how to make a paper boat like this, but actually floats, as I'll show you at the end of the video. First, you'll need to fold it in half like this, and then fold it in half again. Then take holds of all of the bits of paper apart from one and fold it back on itself like that, and then fold the other one back as well. Get the two edges and now carefully push them back like that. Now the trickiest part, you'll need to have it like this, upright, so that the hole's at the bottom, and then open it up. Then push these bits down, then push these bits down, and then pull it, and then fold it. Now you have a paper boat. And now I will show you that it actually floats. Dun 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 dun. Here we are to show you that it actually floats. It doesn't float for long, but it still works well. It will get soggy after a while, but if you take it out and let it dry, when it's dry it will be fine again. It's not a bit soggy there, and it's probably going to capsize in a minute.